Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Seturon. So Seturon is the LMS platform, which means learning management system that lets you create and sell engaging online courses, and you do not have to know any coding for that. And you might be wondering how coding is related to creating courses. Well, Seturon is different from the traditional course builders. It is very different. It has a blog-based drag and drop course builder that is very different from the usual course builders that you see on traditional platforms. So if you see this image, as you can see, there are multiple steps or multiple elements that are connected together in order to create the course. So just like this one, you can create the course by connecting various elements together. And obviously once you create course, you have many features such as statistics. You can see the analytics about your course, how many people are in your course, how many people are learning, and all those stuff. And Seturon is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal as well as a 1-year deal. So you can choose from the 1-year deal or the lifetime access. I'm going to show you that in a bit. And the regular price is close to $500, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $69. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. Okay, so as you can see, the tier 1 is going to give you 1-year access. So it is not lifetime deal if you purchase the tier 1. So keep that in mind. So on the tier 1, you can have 1000 users for your courses. You can also have 5 admin seats, and you have all these features such as unlimited courses, adaptive course constructor, course templates, Stripe integration, group user management, analytics, email and chat support, custom branding, and also 50 GB of storage. But if you want to buy the lifetime access, lifetime deal of Seturon, you have to choose the tier 2. So it is going to cost $179, where you can add over 2000 users, and you also have 5 admin seats, which is very similar to the tier 1. And then you have all these features. But you want to have a lot of users for your course. For example, if you want to have unlimited ones, then you have to choose tier 3. That is going to cost $439. And here you also get all the features, but the admin seats are also increased. You get 10 admin seats instead of 5 on tier 2 and tier 1. So if you want to buy Seturon on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let me show you how Seturon is going to work. So after you log into Seturon, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one. So from here you can start creating your courses just now. If you want to do it immediately, you can do that also. And there is also a very good upcoming feature, that is this document feature. So what it is going to do is turn your document to a course. For example, if you have a really long document, it could be 1000 page long. So you want to turn it to a course immediately, you can use this feature that is going to be coming soon to this platform. And then there are also some templates. So educational course templates, mixed learning course template, adaptive course, promo course. So you can also make use of these templates if your use case matches with any of these templates. And then there is also this dashboard analytics. So you can see how many users you have, and also users with assigned courses as well as without. And also you can see started at least one course, how many people have started at least one course or completed at least one course. And then also you can see how many courses you have got in total, how many groups you have got. So groups is basically different sections where you can separate your students according to different courses or different classes. And then also you can see most enrolled courses, which means which course is the most popular among the students. And then there are also some ungraded assignments. So if you have any ungraded assignment, you can also see that here. And you can also see all the blocks that are completed. So you are going to see the statistics of all blocks on here. So this is the dashboard. Here you can get an overview of your account with some statistics, and you can also start creating courses. But there is also a dedicated section for that. So this course section, let me go here. And here is the course section. So this is the dedicated category for courses. Here you can see all of the courses that you have created. You can also see all the active courses as well as the inactive ones. And in order to create one, you have to click on add new course. First of all, you have to provide a cover for your course. Let me upload one. Okay, so for example, this is going to be the cover. And then I can also provide a video URL, and keep in mind that this video, if you add a video by using the URL, this video is going to have more priority than this image. So I'm not going to use any video, but you can obviously use any video that is related to the course, or it could also be an instructory video if you want. And then you can also provide a course name. So let me provide one. So for example, the course name is going to be AI Basic. So I'm going to teach some basic learnings about AI, and then I can provide some subtitles as well as a brief description or even a long description about what is this course. And then I'm just going to click on create. Okay, so now we have got the most interesting part. So here is the course builder, the block-based drag and drop builder. On top you can see here is my course name, and I can obviously change some settings about the course. So all this general information with video, the cover, the subtitle, the description, and also some time settings, and also the accessibility settings if I want. And obviously for payment, I can set up this Stripe account in order to make sure that students are properly paying for the course. So now I have to start building the course by selecting certain blocks that I want. So for example, first of all, I want to select this payment. So for example, the students have to pay first. So here's the payment section. Obviously, I can edit the content of the payment, the name of the payment. I can also add various content. And if I click on this tab on my keyboard, I can also add various content for this payment. So I can add the checklist, example, highlight, image with text, all of these different options I have in order to add various content here. And then I can also change various settings. So as you can see, this payment block has been added, and obviously all the blocks that you add, they are going to appear on the left side on this particular course outline. And other than editing the content, I can also disable it or even delete it. And I can also connect other blocks with this payment. So for example, after payment, I want to add another block. So it could be a test. I want to add a test. So after paying, the students have to go through a test in order to start the course. So once again, this block is also editable. I have to click on here and then click on add content. So on the test, I can add the name, the description, I can add image. And obviously, since this is a test, it is going to ask some questions. So I can add all the questions from here. So if I click on here, now I can add question. And for question, I have five different options. I can add the question using a multiple choice. It could be true or false, or a single answer, or fill in the gap, or even linker. And then I can also change some settings about all this test, about this test block. And then after this test, for example, I want to add another block. For example, I want to add a page or even a section. I want to add a section. So here's the block, and then I can obviously edit the content for this section as well. And then I can obviously add content on this section as well. But if you remember, section is basically this part. So this is another page. So if I open this section, if I click on edit content, as you can see, a fully new section is opening. So here's one section, and now I have created another. So if I click on edit content, I can go to this new section, and then I can even add some more blocks on this section. So this is how I can even divide these sections if I want. And other than section, we can also add this decision, this block. And let me show you this decision. So based on the decision, there is going to be two sections. So based on the decision of the student, of the user. So I can also edit the content. I can add various content just by clicking on this tab. So this is how I can add various content on here. And then I can also choose the button. So here's two buttons. I can also add more buttons if I want. And if someone chooses this button 1, they are going to be redirected to section 1. And for those who choose 2, they are going to be redirected to section 2. So this is how the decision is going to work. And then other than the decision, we can also add assignment. And let me show you what you get for the assignment. So once again, I can add various content on this assignment. So these are all the content that I have showed you already. And then I can also change some settings, type of user response, admins to review, when users can go to the next step, all these different criteria. And then after the assignment, we can also create page. So we can also edit the page, obviously. And then we can also add certificate. So let me show you all the editing content option on the certificate. So here's that. And then we can also add payment that I already showed you. We can even add a registration. Let me show you. So here's that. And then we can also add another block such as team task, peer-to-peer section. So let me show you this team task. So here are all the editing options for team task. You can add your team on here. And then there is also the last one block that I haven't showed you, which is this peer-to-peer. So I can also add that and edit the content for this peer-to-peer. So this is basically how I can super easily create the course on here by using all these different blocks. And once my course is completed, I can obviously publish it. And the course is always going to be available on here. I can see the status, the ID. I can edit this. I can also change some settings, change the user access, see the course report or the statistics, and I can also back up this course on the cloud if I want. And then there are also some other options on this dashboard, such as these users. Here I can see all the users that are using the course, all the students of the course. So I can obviously add another user. I can see all the activated user, all the pending ones, as well as all the deactivated ones. And I can also download the table once all of the users are here. And then we have these groups. So as I said earlier, groups are basically where you can separate your students, separate them into different groups. So as you can see, there is already one group. I can also create another. So after providing the name and description, just click on create. So as you can see, the group has been created. So now I can add various users to this group. I can also edit the group info. So after the group, we also have reports. So we can see statistics, detailed statistics about all the courses. So how many courses I have, how many users are assigned with courses, course completions, average completion rate, average course rating. And then I can also see the statistics based on certain course. On here, I can open the report to see all the statistics about this course. And then I can also see a summary on here, as you can see, with all these different stats. And then there is also review. So all the reviews that are pending with assignments, I can see all the reviews on here. So all of the reviewed ones are going to appear on here, and all the not reviewed ones that are yet to be reviewed, they are going to appear on this section. And then on review, we also have this team task. We can also review it, as well as the peer-to-peer. We can also review all these different tasks. And then there is also this document section. So here we can add various new documents in order to use them on my course. So for example, here is the title, and then I can add my document. Obviously, if I click on here, I can add various different options. I can add various elements as the content. As you can see, here are all the content. So this is how I can create various documents. And then there is also the settings. So here I can change the company info, connect my Stripe. I can see the limits. I can also see all the notification settings and adjust them. I can also change the brand book, which means I can white label the platform with all these different settings. So overall, I think Seturon is an excellent LMS that lets you create and sell engaging courses. There are so many options, there are so many features, and one of the most impressive features has to be the blog-based editor, the blog-based drag and drop course creator that I have not seen yet. It is very different from traditional LMS, but it is also very easy. All you have to do is just add different sections, different tests, assignments, team to team tasks, whatever you want. You have all the options on here. You can also add new sections, new pages. So the possibilities for creating your courses are unlimited, are endless. So if you want to buy it on a 1-year deal or even lifetime deal, you can check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all these features on the left side, and here are all the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.